Hey everybody, welcome back. As promised, $25 mystery snack box from the Exotic Snack Guys. It's a local shop, well, it's a shop in our local mall. And as you see, I've got a special person here today. So, let's all see what we got here. Side. Give me the pink tissue paper. Give you guys a quick peek. Alright, let's start with the first thing. Ruffles Queso. Cheese artificially flavored chips. And these are from our friend south of the border in Mexico. So, there we go. Okay.
You don't like them.
They got a little tang. Whoa. A lot of tang to them. Like a lime. But they're not bad. They're good until the end of the month. So Ruffles Queso. Fried crab flavored Lay's potato chips. And yep. Manufactured PepsiCo Foods, China. Fried crab flavored chips. Oh, here, let me. Bit of a palate cleanse there. Whoa! Take a smell of that.
Smells good.
It's a hot dog. Not my thing. They're fishy. Yeah. Okay. Got Oreo cookies, it looks like. And they're birthday cake flavor. I like me some Oreos. Let's see how these are. Where are they from? Product of China. That's 2 items from China. Okay. Get 2 packs in the box with, what is it? There's 3.5 servings in each box. And you get 3 cookies to a serving. So, who knows? And the date code on this I cannot find. Maybe on the top? I think that's the manufacturing date
That's the manufacturing date.
of 11/16/2025. So they should still be good. Best Buy November 14th of this year. Hey, baby, it's the day before your birthday. Maybe I should save them for you. Come on. Don't put a lot of cream in these. Usually Oreos got cream all the way to the edge.
Sometimes.
Alright, cheers. Tastes like an Oreo. Might have to finish those later. Like after I finish my dinner.
Stop birthday cake frosting on it.
Mm-hmm.
It does taste like that.
Alright, next item is a Wonder Bar. A Wunderbar. Which Wonder Bar. 49 grams. Creamy peanut butter and chewy caramel. And it's Cadbury. And it's Canadian. Thought it might have been British because it's Cadbury, but hey, Canada. I really shouldn't be eating all this. But, alright. I'll take a small nibble. So. And definitely got caramel. Careful. I think it's got bits of nut in it. Got 2 items left, which should give us a grand total of 6 items in the box. They're both drinks. We have a guessing another Chinese item. Pepsi Zero Sugar Strawberry Milkshake flavored. And then we have Thumbs Up, a quality product of the Coca-Cola Company. Where's it from? Oh, India. Made in India. So, hey, there's the box. Which do we want to try first?
Guess the sugar free.
Sugar free?
Get out of the way.
Okay. Whoa! Ooh. Definitely smells like strawberry. I cut my finger. It's weird. You don't see these anymore. Why? Why don't we see these anymore? Pepsi Zero Sugar Strawberry Milkshake. It's interesting. It's different. And yes, as you see, I'm shooting this outdoors. Not in my car. I take it you like it.
They said it was sugar free, but it's sweet.
Alright, last item. Thumbs up. Coca-Cola product made in India. So it's either going to be, it might have a little spice to it, because we know our friends in India, they love some spice. Smells like a cola. Huh. I actually, if somebody gave me that, I'd drink it. It's not bad. Well, I've lost both drinks now. No? You don't like it? Too much spice?
No,
Or just a different flavor?
different flavor.
Right. So, $25 mystery snack box from the Exotic Snack Guys. Shout out. Get 2 drinks, 2 bags of chips, cookies, and a candy bar. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Let me know.
And I'd like to thank Ed for giving him this idea.
Yeah, shout out Wolfman on YouTube. If you want to see some MRE tastings, some mystery snack box reviews, just search in your search bar Wolfman MRE reviews. And trust me, you'll like it. So, oh, and then if you want to see unboxing videos, go to Brad's Journeys on YouTube. Matter of fact, I believe he's doing a live stream right now where he's unboxing. But by the time this gets posted, that'll be over. So, thank you all for watching. I may have to go with the next size up mystery box, which is $50. If you want to try them out, go search the Exotic Snack Guys in Google, and it'll pull up their website. You can actually subscribe for their mystery boxes there. So, I got it through the shop in our mall. So, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye. Okay. Still recording, aren't I? Yeah. Looper time. No.